Okay, I leveled up again. So dynamically created files, and then each one has a version, right? So it has a version, what folder it's in, what the file name is. And each one, instead of the buttons now talking to some kind of logic, or I wanted to centralize the control. So I added MQTT controls for all the tabs, and I put a broker in the middle. So instead of the device itself talking, or the tab itself talking to something in the middle, because what I found was this tab, this tab, this tab, this tab, this tab, all subscribe to the same value of this. So I created, I call it a conductor, right? So every time a button is pushed or an action is enabled, any of the modules can subscribe to the root, the child event. So here I'm just, pushing custom messages, right? So value custom message, and that's the text box. So the text box pushes that thing. The next step is refactoring all of the modules so they support the subscription to the MQTT message broker. And the MQTT Explorer is extremely valuable because it's just explaining, what's going on, and I can see it and subscribe to. It's a mosquito host, I think. So it's pretty powerful stuff, and it'll be fast enough for what I need to do in terms of passing information between functions. In fact, I think it'll be faster than dealing with files. But the other thing this allows us to do in the future is tie this to a web browser, so it then can use the web browser. Again, the folders determine how the layout is. So I'm getting better at that, and I'm excited, very excited.